And simply submitting sick report, what is that? So when he approached, Nawaz Shams saw that he is engaged with learned Pandits in reading Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he understood, oh, this is your disease. You are now taken to the Srimad Bhagavatam. So actually, he was very learned, but out of his humble behavior, he submitting himself to Lord Chaitanya in this gentle way. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Saddharma sabodhaya jishang nidbandhini matihi achiradeva sarvatha siddhati isham avipsitaha. He says that your desire is to get perfection. Therefore you are so much humble. So he quotes one verse from Naradiya Puran, that anyone who is very serious, one who is serious about knowing himself perfectly, and if he seeks in that way, then his perfection is guaranteed. The only thing is that one should be very serious. This purpose of this verse is Saddharma Svabhodaya Jishang Nidbandhini Mati. Nidbandhini Mati means he has already determined that in this life I shall make my life perfect. Then for him perfection is guaranteed. Then if he thinks, oh, let me try, let me test also this department of Krishna consciousness, at the same time test other department, let us go this way. No, one should be very much serious to make complete perfection in this life. So a man should be serious like Sanatana Goswami, and for that purpose he sacrificed everything. He became a beggar. So we should be prepared to sacrifice anything for perfection of this human form of life. Then perfection is guaranteed. Simply we should be very serious, that's all. Now, Lord Chaitanya says that, yes, I will have to give you instruction. Actually, this Sanatana Goswami is eternal associate of Lord Chaitanya. Just like Arjuna, he is also eternal associate of Krishna. Now, he placed himself as an ordinary man and as if he was in illusion of this relationship of this body. Actually he was not so. But by the energy of Krishna, he was so-called illusion. Otherwise he would not place himself in that condition, would not question Krishna, then Bhagavad Gita would not come. That is the purpose. Just like playing. He is similarly some of the associates of Lord Krishna. When Lord Krishna, his incarnation, comes on this earth, his associates are also present there. Without. So some of the associates, they play like this a fool personality, like this ordinary man, and they question to the Lord, and the answer is there for the benefit of us. Just like Lord Chaitanya, he is supposed to be Krishna himself, because people derided at him when he was actually present as Krishna. Apajananti manga mudha, foolish person derided at me because I am playing just like a man. So he came again as a devotee, Lord Chaitanya, how to teach, how to grasp Krishna bhakti, devotional services, he practically demonstrated. So he is eternal, Sanatana Goswami is also his eternal associate. As if he is taking lesson, representing ourselves, he is taking lesson from the Lord. The Lord is confirming that Jaggapatra how to me bhakti. bhakti pravartaite kramesham tattvasana kahiutamate. Lord is also, this is a process. It is the duty of the spiritual master to select a disciple, and at the same time it is the duty of the disciple to select a spiritual master. Now the selection is very nice. Sanatana Goswami is the right person to understand the science of devotional service, and see, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the right person to give lesson to the disciple about this science. So he says, Jankapatra, you are just the proper person to understand the science of devotion. Now, Kramesham tattva suna kohyatamate. Now, I shall gradually explain to you about this devotional service, and you will understand. Now, the first question was of Sanatana Goswami. That should be the first question of everyone. What I am? Because if I do not know what I am, there is no question of my duties and my destination, everything. Everything will depend first to know what I am. Just like in the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna did not know what he was. Therefore Krishna first of all taught him that you are not this body. You are not this body. That was the first instruction. Dehinasmin jathadehi kaumanaj. You are so much absorbed in bodily conception of life, and you are thinking that you are a learned man. That is your foolishness. In the Bhagavad Gita I will find the first instruction of Lord Krishna is that asatyananisu chastang pragyavadanscha bhasvasi. You are thinking, you are talking with me just like a very learned man. You are arguing with me. But from your behavior I can understand you are a fool, number one, because such kind of topics never is placed by a learned man. So indirectly he said that you are a fool. And why you are fool? He said that you are not this body. You are changing every moment your body. Why don't you think that you are not this body? Why you are identifying yourself as with the body? Dehinasmin jathadehi kaumanajo gananjara. You are changing your body every moment, from the mother's womb up to the death point. You are changing every moment. Why you are thinking that you are body? But you are the same. In spite of all changes, you are the same. I think, my childhood, I think that I am the same. I forget that I am so much grown up. That is my position. So, the first lesson, the inquiry of Sri Chaitanya, of Sanatana Goswami, is that what I am? What I am? Arjuna did not place himself what I am here, because the instruction which is given in the Chaitanya Charitamrita is practically higher than Bhagavad Gita. It is postgraduate study, higher than Bhagavad Gita. With Bhagavad Gita, the Arjuna, he did not question what I am. He was perplexed with his bodily conception. Now here, Sanatana Goswami, he thinks that I do not know what I am. So he is advanced than Arjuna. He accepts that I do not know. So because he inquired that Kiyami means what I am. Therefore Lord Chaitanya directly informs him first that Jiver Swarupaya Krishna Nityadas. The living entity, is eternally a servitor of the Supreme Lord. Eternal. He says, Jiver Swarupaya Krishna Nityadas. That is his identity. So he refutes all nonsensical ideas that I am God, I am equal with God. In the first beginning, he refutes this idea that this is you are living entity, your position is that you are eternally servitor of Krishna or the Supreme Lord. Now we can begin tomorrow.